We've just received Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. This is issue 194. It's a lot of creativity, and this one has 145 projects inside. But what else you get is this. Alt and New has added a stamp, and this is a poppy. Not only is it a poppy, but it's a layering poppy, and there are lots of words and phrases to go with it. On the back of the package, you'll see the steps that you need to create a finished poppy using the stamps. That's great. But in addition, they've added a layering stencil. That's right. So you can do the steps to do the stencil, not only the blossom, but of course the leaves and the stems. And then there's also a flourish. So step by step right here, you're going to get two different looks with the two materials, but you're going to get poppies everywhere. And you can see on the front of the magazine, here is one project. I love the idea of creating kind of a frame and going over it. There's another one right up here in the corner that is just lovely. So as we get into the magazine, you're going to see lots and lots of ways to use not only the stamps, but the stencil. And I love the creativity that goes on and just how pretty the projects are. It's really nice. It's like having a designer at your side as you go through this. Here is an idea using a center step card, and just lots of ideas, making wreaths out of the poppies, so many things. Now, in addition, there are other things in the magazine. Now, Olga is one of the designers at Practical Publishing, and we carry her products. They're called Paper Discovery, and they are marvelous. In fact, this little set of houses we have in stock, and look at what she's done here, creating a stepping card. Here it is on just another card, so it's really nice to see. Now, in addition, what caught my eye, lots of ideas in the magazines. I just tabbed these to kind of show you what things caught my eye. Now, there is one of the issues, the Papercraft Essentials, that has a hot off the press cutting die, and there's also a embossing folder. So there's one of the projects using that. Certainly wanted to show you that. Here we have more, and they're calling this mixed media, but I think it's a very gentle mixed media. So if that frightens you, don't worry about it, because really it'll be just fine. There's that pretty flourish that's used around the edge of the card. I thought this was really, really pretty. Very, if we can get a little closer, Victor, thank you. Just a really lovely painted look. Sorry for your loss. That's really nice to have. And lots more ideas. There's the one that was in the upper corner of the front of the magazine. Here's another one. So while you're focusing on poppies, you're getting lots and lots of techniques and step-by-step photographs too, which is just such a bonus. So I'm delighted to tell you that Simply Cards and Papercraft is available now and available exclusively here at paperwishes.com.